Hello everyone, welcome back to Nathan Trading Academy. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, we will analyze the market for 15th July 2026 using the various measures, some of them FII DII data, GIFT Nifty, that is to see the global perspective, and India VIX to understand the mindset of investors and traders. And also we look at the open interests in the option chain analysis. And we will be looking at uh, Nifty chart and Bank Nifty chart. And also we'll see at the Sensex chart. So we'll be marking important support resistance levels and trading plan for tomorrow. So watch the complete video till the end. So before we begin, this video is strictly for educational and informational purposes only. Nathan Trading Academy is not SEBI registered. We are not providing any investment or trading advice. Always consult your financial advisor before taking any trade. Trading in the stock market involves substantial risk, and you are solely responsible for your profits and losses. Now, let us begin today's analysis. So, today's market remained under selling pressure, like when we look at the chart. So, this is the 15 minutes Nifty chart. So, Nifty closed around 24,052, and Bank Nifty closed 57,462, and Sensex closed around 77,054. Like that, we can observe this one being Bank Nifty, and this is for the Nifty, and this is for the Sensex. So these are the closing values. Although buyers attempted recovery during the session, uh, every rise witnessed selling near resistance levels. So this indicates that traders are still cautious before initiating fresh long positions. So let us first look at the today's institutional activity. So let me take through the FIDI data. So according to the NSE data, so here as we see at the NSE segment, particularly this level, this value, DIS are net buyers. Like if you see, this is the DIS net buyers, almost all 1,553 crores. FIIs are still net selling, like what you see here, 1,337 crores. Combined market DII and the net buying, which will be 2,927 across the multiple exchanges, and the FII net selling, which is around 740. So domestic institutions continue to support the market for buying. What we can understand is that so domestic institutions continue to support the market by buying aggressively based on this data and based on this data, right? So foreign investors still sellers because as it shows here negative, that is selling, which indicates, and here also selling. So this creates a mixed sentiment. As long as DII's buying continues, major correction may remain limited. However, FII selling near higher levels can cap the upside. Overall sentiment neutral with a slight caution. So now moving on, looking at the India VIX. So let me take to the chart of the India VIX. So India VIX is trading around 13.75 as we see here. So this is the 13.75. Important level which we can see here, 13.3, support, that is the support and resistance 13.86. If VIX is crosses 13.86, expect a higher volatility tomorrow. If VIX falls below 13.3, below this level, so market can witness a recovery fall, a recover rally. So currently VIX remains in a moderate zone. Hence, tomorrow's move will largely depend upon price action around support and resistance. So we will also look at GIFT Nifty. What is the present scenario at the GIFT Nifty? So this is the GIFT Nifty. So currently GIFT Nifty is trading around 24,038. The immediate resistance, what we see here, 24,145 and 24,163. This is the immediate resistance, and major support, which is going to be 24,000, because here a price after falling, it took the support over here. So that is 24,000 or 12. Then once it crosses, then here we can see this is the major support again, 23,937. So GIFT Nifty indicates a cautious opening. So a decisive breakout above resistance can improve sentiment. Otherwise, markets may remain range bound. Now let us move to Nifty 50 chart to analyze the Nifty 50 chart. So the current price, what we see here, 24,052. So important resistance levels as we see on this chart. So this is the important resistance level, and these are the important support levels, and these are the important resistance level at the upper side, right? So the bullish scenario, if Nifty sustains about 24,160 here, okay, so momentum may continue toward to this level, right? So followed by like even if it may go above this level also, and possibly it can move 24,350 also. So bearish scenario, if Nifty breaks below 24,000, because today it halted at 24,020, or selling pressure may increase toward 24,000. Okay, so then it may move towards 23,930. And further, you can also see that 23,850. So tomorrow trading view, until Nifty crosses 24,160, this level, okay, every rise can attract selling. So traders should avoid aggressive buying near resistance. So looking at the option chain, so let me take to the option chain. So here, Nifty option chain, uh, what we see here, so the highest open interest, which we can see here, this at put side, which will be 2450, 24,050, which is almost 4 lakhs. 24,000 open interest are there. And next at 24,000, there are 4 lakhs 80 open interests. So this is going to act very major support at 24,000. And at the call side, if you see at exactly at 24,100, which is going to be like a 4,68,000. Then the immediately at 24,150, which is going to be seen at a 1,97,000. The highest open interest is concentrated near the nearby resistance and support zones. So indicating that market participants expect the index to remain within a range. This is a understanding. Unless one of these levels is are broken decisively, for tomorrow, a sustained move above resistance may trigger short covering. A breakdown below support can invite fresh put unwinding, and additional selling pressure can be seen. Therefore, wait for confirmation before entering a breakout trades. Now, let us move to the Bank Nifty chart. What is there at the Bank Nifty chart? So current price, what we see here, 57,462, and immediate resistance as it is marked over here, 57,576. Then if it moves higher, 57,840. And a major resistance, which we can see here, this is going to be the major resistance, that is 58,250. And support immediately, which we can see 57,280, 286, and 56,867. So once it breaks this, so price made to move towards these levels. So bullish scenario above 57,580, above this level. So bullish scenario. So target become like 57,840 and further 58,250. And bearish scenario, when price breaks 57,280, this is this level, and selling may continue toward 57,000 and further 56,867. Overall trend remains weak unless Bank Nifty crosses 57,580. So now moving towards Sensex. Let me open the Sensex chart. So here, if you see the current price for at the new Sensex, which is 77,054, and this is immediate support. And once it breaks below, and it may move towards this 76,850, and further it may see a trigger if it breaks these levels. And the immediate resistance level will be 77,326. And further, if it moves above, then we can see the moving towards 77,640 or 77,790. So here, which we can see some kind of range bound in this today's session also. For intraday traders, buy only if Nifty sustains above 24,160 and or Bank Nifty sustains above 57,580, right? Sell only if Nifty breaks 24,000 and Bank Nifty breaks 57,280. Otherwise, the market is going to be range bound. So avoid taking trades in the middle of the range. Wait patiently for confirmation. Maintain a strict stop loss, right? So maintain a proper stop loss. Risk management is more important than finding the perfect entry. So overall market outlook, DIS buying is positive. FIS are still uh, selling. India, which remains moderate. So markets are trading near important support levels. So tomorrow's move depends on whether resistance is broken or support fails. So keep these levels on your screen and trade only after confirmation. So if you found this analysis useful, please like the video, share it with your trading friends, and subscribe to Nathan Trading Academy. Don't forget to press the notification bell so you never miss our daily market analysis. Thank you for watching. Trade safely, stay disciplined, and have a wonderful trading day.